Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can like a story on Instagram, and it's pretty simple. It's basically as liking post in Instagram. You see a like button on your story, you can click on, not on your story, in other story. All right, for an example, I'm going to be liking Richie Kevin's story over here in today's video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, consider hitting that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you click on the person's story whose you want to like. So let's say I want to like Richie Kevin's story. I click on it. You can see a like button at the bottom over here. You can click on that and basically you like their story. And if you want to unlike it, you can click on it again and it's unliked. But let's just like that story, alright? So yeah, that's basically how you guys can like somebody's story. And remember, if you don't see the like button over here, then probably you haven't updated your Instagram. Now this, story liking feature is on the latest version of Instagram. So make sure you update your Instagram to the latest version and you should have this feature. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can like a story on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then consider hitting that like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.